So for the collaboration with Hong Kong U Art Tech Lab, it's really very amazing because when I first connected with them, I understand there's lots of technology, opportunities and resources they're going to put into this lab. When we are kind of doing workshops like this, collaboration like this, it's all about the future. For today's workshop in HKU, the idea is to let them have an introduction of Unreal Engine and Houdini. And the interesting part is also how to work with both the packages together efficiently in the production pipeline. The strength of Houdini is able to procedurally generate large amount of variety and data, and Unreal Engine is a very powerful real-time engine.
I've always been a creative artist, but I've always wanted to try making a game or using a game engine, so that's what motivated me to join this.
I've always been interested in 3D rendering, so I thought a workshop would be a good opportunity because there's an experienced lecturer here teaching us how to do it, and I was also interested in the topics outlined in the website, like lighting, how to set up a scene, and maybe the process of how to make a game.
When you talk about students in particular, I think it's a very daunting journey, but the important thing is the exposure to various aspects of modern technology. In fact, technologies and opportunities like the metaverse in the future and so forth is much related to these two technologies. And also keep an open eye on upcoming trends like AI and so forth, how we can help them to really be a stronger creator, storyteller and a professional.